Twinkle, twinkle.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the high, like a David in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay, now Itsy Bitsy Spider.
Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried the water rain. And the Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout.
Okay, ready? Do the Bible, the Bible?
You know,
The Bible, Bible, we love the Bible. It is God's Word. We will be careful as we turn the pages. It is God's Word. Very good, very good. You guys did good.